Hello nice people, welcome to the 1 minute posture. First of all, I want to tell you to stop doing this type of move that probably you've seen on social media. Lower back is going to suffer. Instead, I'm gonna show you 3 safe ways to pop your back. First move, you need to sit on the floor with your legs straight. Now, twist your torso. Second move, lay down on your back with your arms on the floor. Raise one leg and take it to the opposite side. Keep your shoulders on the floor. Third move, stay on the ground, put your foot over the other knee, then help with your arms to make a twist. Great job!